Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ashraf Wajidi bin Muhammad Zuraili and my partner is Nurul Aimi Najah binti Kamaruzaman. So today we would like to present about the design of frequency reconfigurable antenna using Varactor diode. So, wideband antenna is commonly used to cover the large operating band of interest, but unwanted signal of noises will also be received by non-operating band. For this reason, antenna with selectable frequency band is needed. Multi-band antenna is also used, but it provides only fixed frequency characteristics. This leads to the development of reconfigurable antennas which provide more than one resonant frequency. Usually, reconfigurable antennas have the capability to change their field characteristic based on the operation. Generally, three reconfigurable is possible in the antenna design, such as frequency reconfiguration, radiation patterns reconfiguration, polarization reconfiguration, radiation pattern reconfiguration. Both polarization and radiation pattern reconfiguration is used in satellite applications. So next, I will pass to my partner.
Okay, hi. So I'm going to explain about the parameter that we use in our antenna. This is our antenna that we have designed. So firstly, the width and length of the ground plane we set as 90 millimeter mm. For the head of copper cladding layer, we use 0.018 millimeter. Head of substrates, we use 1.575 millimeter. We have two patch, which are patch 1 and patch 2. The width of patch 1 is 30 millimeter. Same goes as the width of patch 2. But the length of patch 1 is 20 millimeter, while the length of patch 2 is 70 millimeter. So we have feed position. We have 4 feed positions. And we also use the SMA connector base. The width of SMA connector base is 50.8 millimeter. The length of SMA connector base is 5.5 millimeter and the head of SMA connector base is 1.5 millimeter. The radius that we use for SMA connector pin is 0.55 millimeter and the head of SMA connector pin is 7.4 millimeter. We also have a dielectric cord, which the radius is 1.95 millimeter. We have three types of Varactor, which is Varactor internal resistance, Varactor internal inductance, and Varactor internal capacitance. So the value of Varactor internal resistance is 2. For the internal inductance is 0.05 exponent minus 9. And for internal capacitance is 1.4 exponent minus 12. So this is our antenna that we have designed, and the result that we get S parameter. Alright, this is the result for S parameter that we get. Okay. The result have been analyzed in terms of S parameter and gain. S parameter describe the electrical behavior between the ports in an electrical system. The radiation pattern in which it is a graphical description of the relative field strength transmitted from or received by the antenna. It defines the deviation of the power radiated by an antenna as a function of the direction away from the antenna. The patterns are usually presented in polar form with dB strength. So, finally, this paper proposed a frequency reconfigurable microstrip patch antenna using microstrip feeding technique for the frequency band from 2 GHz until 4.5 GHz. Simulated design for the proposed antenna illustrates that has improved antenna performance in terms of gain and return loss uh, compared to the antenna from the designated article that we get. So that's all from us. Thank you.